Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop this 3D model in SolidWorks. So we will go to new and then we will select the part and click OK. And then we will select the top plane and then go to sketch. We'll click on the sketch, 80 diameter circle. So we will select the circle, we draw it and then we will go to the dimension and give it dimension 80 millimeter. Okay, now we need to create the center circle. This is also 28, so we will draw a circle and then go to dimension and put it value as 28. Okay, now we will select a line. We will select this point and then change it to this one. Similarly, we will select this line, this point to tangent to this point. Okay, and then we will go to the trim and we will trim this one and we also trim this one. Okay, so our sketch is completed. We can extrude this one 5 millimeter, but first that we can draw also these three circles of 10 diameter. So we will select a central line. Okay, and then we will draw a center line from here to here. Okay, and the distance is 28. Go to smart dimension and here we will put 28. Okay, and then we will select the circle and the diameter of this circle is 10 millimeter, and then go to smart dimension and give the diameter of 10 millimeter. Right, now we need to draw one circle is here and one circle is here. For that we will go to this pattern. We will select the circle pattern. So first we need to select the circle. Okay, so for this we will select this line and then from here we will delete this one and here we will select this one. Okay, now you can see that our 4 circles are created. Okay, so but we need just 3 circles. So for that we can go, and if we will put this 3, then it is not equally spaced, so we can just select 4. Okay, but we don't need this one, so we just select this circle and delete this one. If we put the value 3, then it will, one circle will be here and one circle will be here, so therefore we do this. Then we will go to feature and then we need to go extruded boss. So we will select the extruded boss, and we know that the thickness is 5 millimeter, so we just put the value is 5 millimeter. Okay, you can first extrude this and then you can cut the circle, and you can also do in this way. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.